compatibility issues between legacy systems and business mergers. So first of all, what are they? So a legacy system is an old method, technology, or computer system that is still in use because it is still of great importance. This could be because it still has historic data that couldn't be transferred to the new system. And a business merger is the combination of two or more corporations into a single business, which mainly aims to achieve greater efficiencies of scale and productivity. So there's a lot of issues with business mergers and legacy systems. So the first one is that the data in the current system may not be compatible with the newer systems, making conversion not possible. And the integrations of newer systems may be complicated, as the two systems may have completely different technologies. So if the two businesses that merge, one of them has an older system and the other one has a newer system, there could be compatibility issues there. And rarely in any two businesses have the same exact systems, which could also create compatibility issues. And if a business is operating in another country, there could be language barriers. They could use different unit systems, etc. So I found these two diagrams, which I thought were pretty useful. So they're a legacy system and a new system. So in a legacy system there is higher maintenance costs. So it's basically disadvantages and advantages. So higher maintenance costs, data loss, technical limitations, and lower performance than a newer system. However, it's still of great importance, so we cannot get rid of it. While a newer system would be lower maintenance cost, more efficient, higher performance, and scalable application. And this is the business mergers, the advantages. So it obviously will increase your market share because you're combining two companies or more. Yeah, that's basically the main one, but it also promotes growth. It helps. It's a really much easier way to break into or buy your way into a market that already exists, or to acquire valuable assets. Yeah. So that was basically it. And now I will quiz you guys to see if you were paying attention.